Yep, destruction of the wedding tape. Attempt number 1.
Sounds so good.
It's broken. It's really, really broken. Yep. That's special. That's why we get married. Okay, don't run over my toe. It's broken. I don't think it's gonna work anymore.
Oh man, I ran over it. Jeez. Oh. Shoot. Oh man. Oh.
Can you fix it? Is it?
No, I can't fix it.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that's.
Yes. Clean up this mess.
That's Yep.
That was a nasty one.